Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Shopify subscription. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Shopify store. Once you are in, you have to go on the settings. And here you have to go on the users and permissions. Now once you are in, you have to go on the store owner transfer ownership. And here you have to read all of these instructions. Like you can remove you from account or change your permissions. You can change your permissions, pause or close the store. Once you transfer the ownership, you have to add the new store owner, like add the email, first name, last name and enter your password and click on the done. Now here you have to scroll down and click on the edit, and here you have to add your Google Apps domain and save the changes. So this is how you can cancel Shopify subscription.